Hi everybody, it's Bernard with How to Sell Your Home. I'm here with a very good friend of mine, Joe Adonis, who recently purchased the Allstate agency here in Farmingdale and is now providing protection to all those that may need it. Hi, thank you so much for agreeing to do this. Tell me, what made you decide to go into insurance, and why did you decide to focus on protecting people's interests and assets?
So I guess, simplest terms, I've been in finances for the past 20 years. And finance is something I'm always passionate about. And with the birth of my first son back in October,
Congratulations.
Thank you. To me, it became more about just helping people build their finances. After you build it, I want you to help protect it. At the end of the day, all it takes is one unfortunate event that everything you're building for and saving for gets diminished. And preserving it and creating the legacy. And I'm all about now, my train of thought is all about leaving a legacy behind. And this industry, this company affords me the opportunity to do that.
What is unique about the service that you offer your clients?
Let's be honest. Everywhere you turn on the TV, 15 minutes save you 15%. All right. Let's be honest. Get a quote online, 5-10 minutes. Get an easy quote, save money. How many of those people actually know what they're paying for and what they're buying? And do they have the right coverage? So with me, it's not about 15 minutes. It's not about let me just give you a quick quote. It's more of this understanding. Let me understand what keeps you up at night. Let me understand where you need to be, and let's plan to get there.
Wow.
So while we're getting there, while we're planning to get there, while we have to protect the fruits of our labor. So whether you become a customer or me, give me a call. Let's talk about it. Bring your insurance policy.
That's awesome. What tips can you offer to maximize the value a homeowner might get when selling their home? Why would someone who's selling their home come talk to your insurance agent?
Well, when somebody's selling their home, I'd rather them first talk to someone like you, right? Because at the end of the day, real estate is not my expertise, right? I know finances. So if you want to sell your home, I could talk to you about what the current rates are, what you could expect to get, what can you do once you sell your home as far as preparing yourself to live financially secure for the next 10, 15, 20 years, right? But the value of their home and everything, I would tell them to speak to someone like you before speaking to someone like me.
What are some of the tips that you can offer homeowners in ensuring that they can get the lowest premiums? Is there anything that they can do?
Right. Take care of your home, right? Lowest premiums, if you have a savings account, you don't need a low deductible, right? Because at the end of the day, if you don't have much claims, what are the chances of you having a claim? How often do you have a claim where you need a $200 deductible? I'd rather you take what you're going to spend on that $200, because that comes at a cost. You have a low deductible, but you pay for it every month or every year. So if we could take that payment, right, lower the cost of insurance, but by raising your deductible, but say setting up a savings plan where if, God forbid, something happens, you have the savings there to take care of the deductible, but you're not paying for it every month. Right? So as your finances change, and another thing I recommend, every 6 months, every year, do an insurance review. Things change.
Well, maybe it's out of the blue question, but what's the funniest YouTube video you watch? What makes Joe laugh?
What makes Joe laugh? Oh gosh. I have a sixth sense of humor.
Okay.
Oh God. The last YouTube video I saw that just had me dying was it was this older Indian gentleman singing the numbers, and he had the heavy accent. He's 1, 2. He's singing the numbers. He's counting and he's singing. And I literally lost my mind. I just laughed so hard. And then he goes, 33, 34. And it was the most funniest thing I've seen in such a long time. But
well, I hope you guys all get a kick out of seeing Joe sync some numbers here. I thank you so much for doing this
Listen,
with me
I
today.
appreciate your
I
time.
appreciate you taking the time to really,
So-
inform and educate our viewers out there.
Can I embarrass you for a minute?
Sure.
Me and Bernard worked in banking. For quite some time, we worked together. And I tell you, this man right here, we were in meetings together where we would disagree, but I've always learned something from you.
Thank you.
And even today, the short 10 minutes we spent before we did this, you added value to me. So I appreciate you for that.
Take the time now just to encourage all of you, if you have not gotten that insurance review, to please come on by, call Joe. For those of you that know him, for those that don't, please visit my site. I'd be more than happy to pass along his information. God bless.